What's going on, guys? Zach here from Dose of VT, bringing you guys another video. This time I got the Corsair K55 RGB gaming keyboard. So Corsair has a lot of gaming keyboards. This is probably their bottom line keyboard, and they have a few other ones. So I know the top of the line is the K55, and it has a bunch of different options you can pick from like keys, stuff like that, and how it has certain stuff up top to where you can control volume, control lighting, stuff like that. But this one is one of their bottom line ones. It's one of the cheaper ones. I think it's about 40, 60 bucks depending on where you buy it. But we'll go around the box here. So there's not really too much on this side. Not really much on this side. It just kind of gives you information. Not too much to worry about. Same on this side, just shows you the keyboard. And on this side is where we open it up. So we'll go to the back first before I start to open it up. As you can see from the back here, let's see if I can move this up a little bit closer. We can focus in. So it's IP42 rated dust and spill protection. It has 3 zones of dynamic RGB backlighting, 6 programmable keys, a detached palm rest that's down here right there. As you can see on the front of the box, it didn't have that. Then it has your volume and media keys. Then it is powered by their software, their iCube software, which is actually really nice. There's a lot of features you can do with their software. They've definitely took the time to make sure you can customize and basically do what you want with their software. So opening it up, you just have your keyboard right here, right out front. Then you just have your one cable. It's just USB, normal USB. Place this off to the side. Get your paperwork. Then below it, you get your pad. So this pad isn't soft per se. It's got enough, like it's got some ridges in it to help not let your palm move. But it isn't soft. Like I can't push this down and it's squeezed at all. It's hard plastic, but it's a little soft, but not extremely soft to where like if you were to rest your hands, your hand would like fall into it, kind of like memory foam or anything like that. But bring it to the keyboard. Obviously just your normal keyboard. You got all your volume switches up here, all your lighting, stuff like that. Then your keys. So everyone wants to know what the keys sound like. So these keys aren't very clicky. They're pretty soft. They do give decently well. I believe these have, I think they have some form of like the cherry keys when it comes to quickness in the key. Like you could barely push it and it'll go down. But it's not like the cherry MX keys that you see on the top of the line keyboards where like you barely press it and it goes where you can bottom out the keyboard. On here it's pretty soft. It has that membrane to like stop the key from going all the way down, but the keys are still pretty quick. I mean, for the most part, I really like the keys. I don't think anyone would have issues with it. But other than that, you got your number keypad over here. Then I'll show you guys with this attached. Nice and easy attached. All you have to do is just slide it into these grooves right here. And you got your kickstands right there. Or give it a little height to you. But I mean, other than that, there's nothing too special right here. It's like your normal keyboard. It just has gaming like features to it, to where the keys, so it has the RGB lighting where you control all that. As of right now, this is just the unboxing. Check out another video that will be on my channel of me doing a review of this keyboard to the K55 Cherry keys, fast switches. So it's the top of the line keyboard. It's the premium one, the best one I think you can get from Corsair. And I'll compare these two keyboards and let you know if this one's actually worth your money, or if you should spend a little bit more money and buy something in their mid-range keyboards. Because usually the top of the line keyboards, it's usually small little features that make a difference from these keyboards, and sometimes for most people that makes a difference, sometimes it doesn't. But there you go, guys. This is the Corsair keyboard K55. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.